So yeah, if you don't know what we're standing on right now, we are literally standing on Jewel Lake. So we are walking on thin ice right now. Yeah, we're right by the ice fishing holes where people go ice fishing at. So, hey! Ooh, that could actually break. Oh shit! Look, you see that? We are literally, I can't find, it's actually pretty thick. We're over here by the ice fishing holes, man. Hopefully we don't fall in, right? On top of a lake. Can you believe it? But we are literally on top of Jewel Lake right now. And these are little holes that people go ice fishing at, literally here in town in Anchorage. Pretty crazy, right? It's your boy, Big El Chico Rico. We'll like, comment, subscribe. Hey! We out here.
Mira pa' donde anda, que yo la fui con Miranda, un otro chico de la fama.